us.
Welcome to Beaupré, a charming town nestled along the banks of the St. Lawrence River in the beautiful province of Quebec. Beaupré sits pretty along the St. Lawrence River, with Route 138 winding its way through, adding to the scenic charm. The St. River is a significant tributary of the northwest shore of the St. Lawrence River that passes through Beaupré. The river originates from Lac Saint-Anne-du-Nord and has a length of approximately 97 kilometers. Beaupré has been a hub of activity since the early days of New France. Legend has it that back in the 17th century, Breton sailors landed on these coastal plains and couldn't help but exclaim, "Oh! Le Beaupré!" Meaning, "Oh! The beautiful meadow" in English. And voila, the name Beaupré stuck ever since.
Thank you very much.
Église Notre-Dame du Rosaire is a historic gem nestled in Beaupré. This Catholic place of worship was erected between 1858 and 1861, making it the oldest church in Beaupré. Just take a look at its majestic facade, clad in cut stone, with traditional corrugated metal roofs adding to its charm. The Église Notre-Dame du Rosaire boasts a rectangular plan with a projecting choir and a semicircular apse. But what really catches the eye is the monumental screen facade, divided into 5 vertical bays. You can spot classical elements like pilasters, entablatures, and even a triangular pediment. And check out that bell tower. Rising proudly at the roof ridge, it adds a touch of grandeur to the whole ensemble.